Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's pick out some cards and see what pops out. Persist. May your ripples build the swell. What else do we need to hear today? Take in what resonates and leave out the rest. Have my kids. I want to have a family with you. I know you'd be an amazing parent, and I dream of the day I can experience raising a family together. My income is constantly increasing. I begin now, today, to open myself to ever-increasing prosperity. Seraphim, Guardians, Awakener, Purity. Journey inward. The path to enlightenment starts within you. Introspection, growth. I am improving every day. Number 11, Judas, Catalyst and Soul Contract. Bountiful harvest. Reap the rewards of your hard work and embrace the blessing in your journey. And our final card today. Lay of the Land, number 34, Ancestral Wisdom. Believe the wisdom that you are getting. Alrighty, and today's quotes. You are enough, the enoughest enough that ever enoughed. How cute. Save your heart for someone who never gets tired of hearing what's on your mind. In some personal news, I've decided to follow my crazy ideas and trust my madness, and will become magic. Pay attention to how you feel after you eat something. You spend time with someone, you spend time doing something. The energy you feel is always there to teach you something. Let go of your fear of being judged. You are good enough. It's time to release all that you have kept safely locked away in your heart. Your true essence and potential have been restricted by structure and method long enough. There is no wrong or right way. Just be you. And the last one, stop neglecting your self-care. It's okay to splurge on things that actually make you feel and live better. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.